We do a lot in the medical arena, churches, flex space, offices, distribution, manufacturing, you name it, non-residential, Bobbitt will build it. Somebody says, what do you do? I say I'm in the sign business because we have a lot of Bobbitt signs all around. But what that says is that we have a lot of work going on. We've done a good job for people, and they've told their friends, come back, and they've come back to us, and that we concentrate on working in the local area. Our focus is on doing the job right, making the customer happy, so then they'll come back to us and build on the relationships that we've started.
I would say definitely that Bobbitt's responsive, kind of works with you on your level of understanding, the building process. Almost like you're working with your friends. Just made it happen as smoothly and easily as possible. And actually, it was enjoyable. The whole process was enjoyable.
The beauty of our experience with Bobbitt is that even though there were a tremendous number of complexities, we were working in a historical environment. We had one source. We were able to go to them to get all of our answers. We had a good communication process in place, and that worked very well, not for only the building process itself, but for our congregation.
They're thorough, they stay on top of things, they take care of things. They're timely, they get things done when they say they'll get it done. They're honest about that also. They won't tell you they can get something done in a certain time frame if they can't. So you just know what you're dealing with. They're a very high quality group of people.
The concept phase is it's the most broad look at the project, because we're really just determining that the building is a certain size and that it should be oriented a certain way. Just trying to get all the relationships between the site and the building itself kind of started off in the right place.
The integrated design build is very interactive all the way through the process with the owners, estimating, construction, architecture, design, and we've got a lot of experience in this building.
As architects, site planners, PM&E, and interior design, all the communication minimizes problems in the field and makes the job flow smoothly. It costs the client less money, it costs us less money, the client gets in the building faster. It's just a super way to design and build a building.
I work with the project developers, designers, and project managers to make sure that when we do submittals to the towns or counties, that we have the proper documentation and plans to make the review process go as smooth as possible and to get a permit as soon as possible. Understanding the process is a big part of it.
Our goal is trying to satisfy these needs that the owner has, and from our case, we feel like that we help them all the way through all the steps of it, even to the completion.
What we've done is, I went through and showed Reverend Horn everything that I even showed him the markups. Well, it's great to be able to bring in an architect, bring the plan in, show them, here's the floor plan. What do you think? Let's talk about it. Ask me questions about it. Let's color it up together. Let's highlight things you like. Let's redline things you don't.
I think there are pros and cons on both sides.
Each person has their own part they're playing in it. The designer's worried about getting a building permit and the code issues related to it. The estimator's thinking about, well, this is going to be difficult or costly to build. The owner's thinking about, boy, this looks great, I can't wait to do this. And us being able to marry all those things together is what is a great, great benefit of design build.
Bobbitt is conservative. Our approach has been one that has helped us weather many economic cycles. We have a really strong balance sheet with no debt, and today I think that's something to be very proud of. We give our clients the peace of mind to know that we're financially secure.
By building green, I can help a client look at doing things that are better for our community, better for their employees and their people, and better for the planet. Bobbitt's always looked to our clients as far as providing with the best value that we can. And that's starting off with just doing design build back in the 80s and 90s and even before that. And today looking out and saying this really brings a lot of value to our clients, it brings a lot of value to our community. And so I'm excited to see that Bobbitt is staying in line with its original values.
We take a very complex process and make it easy for our clients.